Okay, so we are today going to do a head unit installation into this VX Commodore. This kit that we are showing you is available for VT or VX. Basically it involves a Facia kit, which is a new product. It's all in one piece. So the head unit can be bolted in with brackets into the Facia kit and then locked straight into the place of the factory unit. So it makes it a lot easier than the old style, which is trying to fit it in with a cage and having a lot of fun trying to get it to sit right. So from there, we're using our Aerpro control harnesses, which basically makes it a complete plug-and-play system to get all of the steering wheel controls and everything running straight from the unit. So we've got our Clarion harness, which goes back to an ISO plug. Then we have our main control harness for the Commodore VT-VX. So it goes from your ISO plug through to the factory plug with our control box, which the control box is what's there to then control the steering controls. We have a patch lead, which then plugs into the control box and runs back to the steering wheel control input on the unit itself. So let's begin. Okay, so now I'm going to mount the brackets onto the Facia kit to hold the radio. There's our brackets mounted. And time to slot the unit on and mount it to the brackets. Okay, there we go. The head unit is now mounted securely in the bracket and ready for the car. Now onto the control harnesses. One big thing with the Aerpro control harnesses, make sure you always plug everything together on the bench first, have it plugged into the unit, then take it to the car ready to go. The ISO and the Clarion harness all just plug straight together. So that's the two of those connected together, and then the actual control harness plug, which plugs back into there. Now at the back of the unit, our main plug, and of course the steering control wire, which will then go into SWC, which is steering wheel control. So that is now a working loom ready to go into the car. Alright, so now we're in the car, time to pull the unit out and start fitting the new one. It's the old unit out. Now the new harness plug here will literally plug straight back in to the original. And that's it, that's all our wiring done. That is our antenna plug. So the only other thing I have to feed through for this particular unit is it's got a USB port, so that I will feed through to the glove box. Okay. So first I'll get the keys and double check this is all working before I put it all in 100%. There we go. We have sound. So as you can tell, automatically, without touching anything else, all of our steering control buttons are all working without having to program or do anything, straight out of the box. So I'm happy with that, everything's working. It's time to now tuck all our wiring back into the dashboard and put the unit in. Okay, and that's the fascia all locked into place. That's all right to go. All done.